Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a paper crane. So to start off, you need a square sheet of paper, like most of them, and diagonally fold it in, actually no, fold it in half this way. Fold this edge to this edge. Turn it over. Fold this edge to this edge. Okay, pick it up like this. There's a pocket in the middle. Open it and squash. Okay, now fold this edge to this edge. Unfold both. Now we need to do a petal fold. So basically, well, start off, we'll redo these, fold this down along this edge. Unfold. Unfold both of these. Now fold on this crease and squash these. Turn it over. Fold this edge to the middle and this edge to the middle. Unfold. Valley fold on this crease and squash. Okay, fold like this, turn it over, fold like this. Oh, sorry, fold it like this. Okay, so now this is going to be the head of the crane. So fold it down, well, roll it down until this edge and this edge is just one line. Like this. This side will be the tail. So basically do the same thing, but we're going to go a bit further to where this point meets this edge. Now, to make the head, reverse fold this. There's no real reference for this, but do that. Fold the wing up on both sides. And this makes a paper crane. But if you want its wings to be able to flap, well, basically fold them up and flatten. Now we basically want to diagonally fold the wings to where this edge hits this point and this point. Turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. And now, if you leave it like this and pull on the tail, well, almost, its wings can flap. So that's how you fold a paper crane. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to read the description to see something interesting.